Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on streets since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest.
Today is
What's going on?
a bad day.
Today's a bad day?
It's raining. No, so today is the get together for Elite with the raffle. We got a lot of cash prizes or raffle prizes, and you could buy your ticket to enter to get into the raffle for Honey Pack. Random.
Caesar, what time is it right now?
Good.
How's the rain looking?
Good.
What are you doing?
Here, I need your steady hands. Go put this on Motor City Munchies.
There. Yeah, they told us.
They said I'm putting your sticker.
What you mean?
You try these? Wanna try it?
Who made them? They're pretty good. Is it carrot cake? I feel like that should be known before someone's allergic. I don't know if it is.
You take card?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, alright.
These are the raffle ones. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't tell me there was
You
like
wanna
shirts
eat.
in there though. Osvaldo?
What up?
Damn, I don't have tab. Oh, sorry. We have
Zelle?
No, I don't.
Bro, you told me to take card.
tab, like.
Oh, you're real about having a card?
Yeah!
Can you buy something from the Elite website right now?
You take my.
Worth
I
50.
believe so.
Here.
So
What's up, dog? Hey, where's the rack? The rack! It's a 6.0 Cathedral Porta Heads, TBS intake. It made 303.
That's not bad.
That's pretty good. Hey, where they usually be? Yeah, I can look at this truck.
Oh, even better.
They move around, dude. You gotta like check up on Instagram with their story.
I'm gonna get no bad police run.
Y'all know what I find dope as hell? Their patches, look.
Oh yeah. What channel is that going on?
Elite Racing?
Elite Racing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give y'all a follow. Big book.
It's at the track. It's at the track.
That's the track. 13 seconds. I ain't taking cars to the track. I like it.
Like he was saying, we travel a lot.
We travel a lot from here, then we go to Mexico.
Yeah.
Ready to do it?
Back.
Yeah.
A lot of
You doing
travel.
that?
Huh?
You filming in Mexico too or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll see us. We'll introduction will be like, we're in this part of Mexico today.
I gotta drive, man. I gotta get my passport and go.
What do you guys think about the food? What do you guys think about the food?
Oh, food. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Look, what do you think? Hey, y'all better pull up. Yeah, Munchies is there. Where is that, man? Where is that?
What truck is this?
If you guys can recognize this Elite's old truck, Cool Whip. It was an old giveaway. Came a long way. forward. Alright. Go back. Hey, he fucked it up last night. Damn!
Lip left the chat.
Left the chat, bro.
Damn.
No pedo, a couple zip ties gonna fix it.
I was at the 40.
The unreliable zip tie method.
Yes. You can't go wrong with zip ties.
Soon. Super good as new. Hold on, one more.
Oh, I know you called, bro. You gotta go.
So far, this one's losing. I'm disappointed, bro.
Yeah?
That was in the chat, bro.
What happened?
Simple rules. Dog over there wilding out, but he came with the MBS boys.
Yeah.
So I told him, I'm like, tell your boy not to pull back up, like you're dumb.
Yeah.
They're about to shut us all down and keep doing shit like that.
Bro.
I definitely agree, and they were asking about paperwork of permit. I thought she got them.
We tried that. They didn't say no. They kept sending us some different, what they call it?
Apparently, the community centers have nothing to do with it anymore.
We tried reaching out to the various people.
When I asked them,
For starters,
they kept
the
sending us
community centers,
different
none of the phone calls answered.
We did one about 4 months ago, and it was pretty peaceful, you know. And I, as well, it was not as big. I grant that, but no, we did not as well. We've been reaching out for the reason I mentioned that. Since then, we've been reaching out to try to get permits to do this correct.
remember I asked you.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, we don't see anything here. We don't see any drag races. But our partner said this comes out of the priority one run for us. This is the second time we've already been out here. But like, me, my partner, and they haven't seen anything. Obviously, you guys seem peaceful, but
Oh, this is about to be over.
So yeah, it's just left the open because the burnouts, the drag race.
We did tell
That's all
people to stop. We actually kicked people out.
Yeah, you send them home.
yeah, because those drag races are very.
But right now, you guys all
you guys see
stand out here.
videos on social media.
Well, 100%, we're not about that. We want to do it peacefully and correctly. And if you guys can even.
Were you guys here not too long ago on Toledo? Large car gathering?
No.
Then on El Paso below?
No, that wasn't.
No.
This is ours right here.
If you guys can point us to the right direction on how to go about doing the right way, we'd be more than.
If you
I
guys
think you
got
have
like
to contact the city, right?
yeah, but if they sent you guys on a little rabbit trail, I don't know where they.
I was told that it has to have mayor approval now.
Music down a little bit. It's kind of bumping.
Yeah.
But turn it down a little bit. I know you're gonna have a good time.
No, I appreciate you guys letting us know. 100%. No, and I'm glad you guys are actually, patrolling and doing your job, So I appreciate that.
Take care,
All
guys.
right, thank you.
Peaceful. Don't be burning out.
Yeah, don't
Sucker.
don't be attracting the negative vibes, bro.
Not for the cars. Not for the cars.
Hey, John. Wasn't his mom the one to call the cops?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. And, I mean, I didn't want to say that, but she said. She said. They're gonna go home and be like, Mom, why you made me in front of my friends?
Who's mom?
City Wheels.
Bruh.
Who's City
Hey,
Wheels?
City Wheels. Where'd he go? Ah, nigga. Ran away.
He left.
Keep on go. Ma, ¿qué hiciste? Ah, it's the dude that was doing the fucking donuts over there.
Came with the MBS boys, so I told them to tell him not to come back.
I just told him not to go.
Oh, you told him?
Oh, the guy in the Charger?
Yeah.
I'll throw the CRV on there, but I'm gonna make like a whopping 2.
What?
Fuck no. You get a prize to take 2 horsepower?
The lowest horsepower gets the prize.
Really?
Is it? The lowest.
I heard highest. I'm about to have to go get it.
Oh, y'all need to smoke.
Highest and lowest horsepower.
That's the Ranger right there.
Bring the Ranger, nigga.
That's what I'm saying. He
Go
gets
get
the
it.
highest and lowest.
So?
Go get the Ranger.
All of them. Bro,
Hey, go get it. You know who the highest is right now?
you gotta pay them.
Who has the highest HP?
$100.
I bet it's
Oh yeah, go get it.
I'll take it.
On this 2014 Camaro SS, pretty decent for what it's got. Little cam, little stall, nothing crazy, you know. NA.
So lowest one, Cool Whip.
No way. Cool Whip was the lowest one?
Yeah.
What did it make?
Cool Whip 240. It's because it's got a high ass gear.
The hype.
Lope. No.
I told him he was gonna win. Oh, that one.
Thank you for participating.
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for bringing 2 cars, bro.
Yep.
What car did you do it with?
The Focus ST and the old one.
Where's Chidi Wheel Jr.? He lost. He lost, but he won. Ganaste, güey.
¿Sí, güey?
Sí.
A toda madre.
Güey.
Gracias, viejones.
Nada.
Gracias.
Por tener más huevos, güey.
No, gracias a ustedes por la invitación.
Y ahora, el otro también que ganó.
El que
Bueno,
perdió.
y ganó porque tenía el más bajo.
Hell yeah. Gotta win some way.
The coffee mug.
I won though.
Por tener el más bajo.
Oh, por no tener huevos.
Y'all told me to put that bitch on, dog.
Look, and you won.
Hell yeah.
Medium hoodies we don't. We sold out.
Be racing.
What is it on the other side?
What is that on the table?
This one is
You're right, nigga.
You're right, huh?
Give her that.
Gotta dump the whole
Hey, you want to?
Ahí está, pues, viejo. Cuida, que tenga buen día.
Ya,
Buenas noches.
que tenga buen día. Gracias, nos vemos.
Thank you for playing, Don Lupe. Another successful show at Elite Racing Shop. It was litty.
It looks like a horror movie.
I look like a what?
A horror movie.